for difference in it. Because here in the panchayats had the power to take up the work. Now they are telling Delhi will decide. And 40% of the revenue no state can afford. If any decision has to be taken, they should have taken the confidence of the states. Without taking the confidence of the states, they have done this program. It is not, we can't agree. We will go to the court. We will fight it on the street. In every panchayat, we will organize meetings. In every district level, state level, division level, we are going to organize. We are going to educate the people. And we will see it is a big failure. This is right to work, right to live. It is a guarantee of work which the program was been given by the Congress party. So in the entire country, no panchayats will digest it. And we will see that every panchayat makes a resolution against this bill.